The UGC recently asked all the colleges and universities across the country to hold their final year exams by September 30, 2020. After which a petition was filed in the Supreme Court to cancel the final year exams in colleges and universities across the country. What did the Supreme Court say? The plea to cancel the final year exams in colleges and universities in the country could not be heard in the Supreme Court till now. The petition will be heard in 2 days. During the hearing, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told Justice L. Nageshwara Rao's court that Justice Ashok Bhushan had earlier heard a case related to this, so this matter should go to his court. Justice Rao agreed and postponed the hearings. Now, hearing can be held in Justice Ashok Bhushan's court. Earlier, the Ministry of Home Affairs along with Ministry of Health has been asked by MHRD to come up with SOP, Standard Operating Procedures, for conducting the examinations. Human Resource Development Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank gave information on the new development of final year university exams based on the new UGC guidelines. Now let's talk about some Delhi's conditions. Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Manish Sisodia has announced that no examinations will be held for students in all universities across the state. Students will be evaluated on the basis of previous examinations. The decision also applies to third year students. What about University of Delhi papers? The final year papers at New Delhi University are scheduled to be in the form of online open book examinations. Students are demanding for cancellation. As many as 13 students organizations from across the country have filed a petition demanding that the final year exams be cancelled. This petition was to be heard on 23rd of July. Let me tell you that even before this, the university DU had changed the schedule of the final year open book online exams of undergraduate courses. The university had informed the Supreme Court about this on 14 July. According to that update, the final year UG online open book exams will be conducted from 10th of August 2020 to 31st of August 2020. This information was given by the university to the bench of Justices Hima Kohli and Subramaniam Prasad. In our opinion, every student should get general promotion and marks will be evaluated on the basis of past performance.